Is this great or what? What's wrong?
Email from Pat. There's been a breach, right? We gotta go.
What? You're leaving? This is the best part. Oh, sorry.
We have to. Senior management's freaking out.
Come on, let's go.
Any word how it happened?
An end user clicked on a malicious link. Yeah, you know, I figured it was human error. 95% of ours have been.
No surprise. Our security awareness training is too overwhelming. So many concepts covered at once. I've literally watched it put end users to sleep. Problem is, I haven't found anything better to replace it.
You know what would be great? If there was cybersecurity training like that movie we were just watching. You know, just something that grabs your attention and holds your interest the whole way through.
Actually, there is. It's called NINJIO. My former CISO is using them at her new company. It's a total game changer in terms of raising their security bar. I've pulled up their website. Check it out. NINJIO's Hollywood-style approach keeps end users entertained, engaged, and wanting more. Most users consider the monthly 3 to 4 minute long videos as a break in their day, something they actually look forward to watching.
I love the anime cartoon style, but I wonder if the higher-ups would think it's too edgy.
Looks like we have the choice of either the original anime style, or we can choose to go with NINJIO Corporate, which uses the same script as the anime version, but in Corporate, the characters have a more conservative animation style.
Ah, very nice.
Snazzy.
Wow, did you notice that each episode is inspired by a real company that suffered a significant breach? Oh, look, they also put out a new episode every 30 days. I mean, talk about relevant, am I right?
Yeah, I like NINJIO's core philosophy. By teaching end users to protect themselves from cyber threats, they in turn protect their organizations and families. They call this secure living.
Wait, protects their family?
Yep. Says that every employee of an organization subscribed to NINJIO gets the same content delivered to their family at no additional cost.
Oh, it also says here that episodes can be delivered in a SCORM-compliant format for use in an organization's own learning management system. That's nice. Oh, or through NINJIO's cloud-based learning management portal.
They'll host it too. That would be a huge load off. I say, once we get through the weeds on this breach, we find out more.
Way ahead of you. There's a button to click right here to speak with one of their experts. I'm all over it.